Hi friends, this video shows how to reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. First, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data or internet and Bluetooth. If you are facing issue with internet or mobile data, you can just reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. Let me tap on this reset settings button, then tap on this reset button. Okay, done. Network settings reset. So this way we can reset internet settings or network settings and fix all internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.